Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. So we are back with one more true wireless earphones video, and today in this video we will be showing you the Noise X Buds and see how they perform. The price of these in-ear true wireless earphones is somewhere around 4000 rupees, and right now they are on discount, so do check the link in the description below. And guys, we will be giving away 3 pairs of these earphones, so do watch this video till the end. So let's quickly do the unboxing. In the front of the box we have the picture of the product, and here you can see the model name X Buds, which offers in-ear design. And here on the side we can see some features such as full touch controls, IPX5 water and sweat resistant, Bluetooth 5.0, secure fit, up to 4 hours of playback time, and they also offer voice control. At the back of the box we can see some technical specifications, and the battery of the charging case is 650 mAh, and we get 45 mAh battery in each earbud. So let's open the box and see the content now. So up on the top we have the earbuds and the charging case. The earphones are very compact in size and the build quality looks pretty good. And here is the charging case. The oval shaped charging case is also well built, and the quality of both the earbuds and the charging case is definitely very good. We will look at them in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the registration card, and then we get this black envelope which has the user manual, and this has all the details regarding the pairing and the touch control. And then in the box we get 2 pairs of extra ear tips, which is small and large. And guys, as I have mentioned it many times in my previous videos, that you should try all 3 sizes to check which one suits you better. And then finally we get the micro USB charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Noise X Buds earphone has the in-ear design, and they are the true wireless earphones. And as mentioned earlier that the build quality feels premium, the earbuds are made up of mainly plastic, which makes them very lightweight. Talking about the overview, on the each earbud you have the charging pins and the mic, and you also have the L and R written here. On the side of the earbuds we have the noise branding, and in terms of design, they are shorter as compared to the other true wireless earphones we have tested recently, but overall I really like the design of these earbuds. The charging case is also of good quality. It's also lightweight and you can easily carry it around in your pocket. The charging case has 650 mAh battery capacity, which can charge both these earbuds up to 4 to 5 times. When you open the charging case, you will see the charging pins, and you just have to align the left and right earbud. And as soon as you insert them, you will see the LED light on both the earbuds as well as in front of the charging case, which shows you the remaining battery. And at the back of the charging case, we have the micro USB charging port. And yes, the earbuds get attached to the case magnetically, which means they will not fall out easily while charging. Now let's talk about the most important thing, which is the sound quality. First of all, pairing them is really easy as there are no physical buttons, so you just have to take both the earbuds outside the case. And for the first time, you'll have to pair them manually with your phone. And here it is, paired with our phone. And from now on, whenever you insert them back or take them out of the case, they will auto pair with your phone. In terms of comfort, I really find these earphones very comfortable to use. I had to change to the large size ear tips, and after that, I was able to feel the difference both in terms of comfort as well as sound quality. Initially, I thought the sound output is flat and there was less bass in them. But when I changed the ear tips, I was able to feel the bass. There is definitely some bass in them, and the clarity is also good. They're also pretty loud, and overall, I was getting a pretty decent output. Navigation on these earphones are touch based, though they work perfectly, but to be honest, I didn't find the combination user friendly. For example, to pause the song, I have to double tap on the earbud, and to go back or play the next song, it's triple tap on either left or right earbud. And to increase the volume, it's single tap on the right one, and to decrease the volume, it's a single tap on the left earbud. Long press on either of the earbuds will enable Google Assistant. I must say that it took me some time to figure out the touch controls. The touch response was good, but still the combination could have been better. So overall in terms of performance, I really like them, keeping in mind the price of these earphones. There is very less lag while watching videos, but almost half a second lag while playing games. And sadly, they do not support multi-device pairing. Nonetheless, for casual listening to music and for movies and videos, these are perfect wireless earphones. The battery backup is really good, and with the 70 to 80% volume, you can easily get 3 to 4 hours of playback time. And with the case, you can charge them again up to 5 times. So to sum it up, Noise X Buds are good value for money when it comes to features you are getting. The design is good and the overall sound output is decent. And in this price range, we find them really good. And guys, we have 3 of these earphones for giveaway, and if you want to win one, just comment down below what you like about these earphones and why you need one. We will be announcing the winners on our Instagram page, So do follow us there for more updates on this giveaway. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.